spot.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD hinge covers from a Dell Alienware 13 version R2. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Next, disconnect battery cable. Now disconnect hard drive cable. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now disconnect keyboard cables. Now remove palm rest screws. Now pry apart and turn over palm rest. Then disconnect and remove palm rest. Now unscrew and remove hinge covers. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.